Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail without ringing of problem. So for this, the first fix is to check SIM card. Remove your SIM card, wait for a few seconds, then reinsert the SIM card again. The second fix is to disable focus mode. For this, go to settings, tap on focus here and simply disable it. Tap on do not disturb, and if do not disturb is turned on, turn it off. Now the third fix is to check blocked contacts. Check block contacts. For this, open settings, tap on phone. Now tap on blocked contacts. Now if any contact are blocked, remove from block contact and check again. The fourth option is to disable call forwarding. For this, go to phone app again. Check if the call forwarding is activated or not. Tap on call forwarding, and if it is activated, turn it off. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you.